Hey everyone, Adam and Serena here at Fitness Together Burlington, and today we're going to go over foam rolling with the Acumobility's Ultimate Back Roller. So this roller is a little bit different from some of our other offerings here at Fitness Together. This one has 11-inch height compared to our smaller rollers. It also has these nice foam bumps on it, gives it a little bit better texture. Sometimes people have a little bit more sensitivity while rolling their backs, so this is a great option. So Serena's going to start here today by rolling her mid and upper back kind of between those shoulder blades. She's got a couple options on how she can make this a little bit more intense for herself. So she can take those hands, she can squeeze them all the way around. She's giving herself a nice big hug. That's going to pull all of that tissue along the back side a little bit tighter, giving her a little bit more of an intense sensation. Now, if Serena was having some neck issues in this position, she can just cradle those fingertips, place them behind her head to support. If she still wanted to get that extra tightness out of it while still having that little bit of protection for her neck, as she's doing here, she's just going to squeeze those elbows together. Again, that's going to give her that exact same sensation of that hugging position. Next up from here, the height gives us an excellent opportunity to get some of those harder to hit places. For example, front of the chest and shoulder. So Serena's going to come here into a quadruped or an all fours position. She's going to extend one leg out, and that roller is going to come across the direct top of her shoulder and across the top half of her chest. From here, Serena can play around with different positions to give her better leverage as she rocks in and out. Serena also has the opportunity here to get some of the backside and upper shoulder area as well. So from the same position, she can just rotate herself to a palm up position. And then she's going to go for that tricep, as well as where that tricep inserts into that upper shoulder. Again, this has been Adam and Serena here at Fitness Together Burlington.